But yeah, our final segment is the rapid fire. So self-explanatory. We're gonna give you questions and you have to give us rapid answers.
Okay, I will try my best.
So how many days of leave have you taken in the last year?
Oh my God, no day.
Your proudest moment with Acing Languages?
I think when we were featured on the Times of India, or no, when they put the logo at my university, like they stuck our logo up there, I was very excited. And no one told me. I saw it one day and I was like, why didn't anyone inform me? It was very exciting.
That's really surreal. Like if you're just walking and you see something. Okay,
yes.
Have you learned a language through Acing Languages?
I have. I was part of some of the Mandarin classes. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. I was, of course, checking our teacher's quality, not learning the language. No. Yeah, I picked up a few phrases here and there, speaking to teachers and learning a language in general. Yeah.
Yeah. How many languages do you know?
I speak 6 languages. And then I did a little bit of German, but I wouldn't count it as the 7th. No.
Fair. Your emotion when you first fired someone?
It's really hard, but I had to tell them, the way things were. I sent them a screenshot of what the feedback about how they were performing. And I just said that, if you don't change, you're going to have to leave. And they said, okay, I'm leaving. So I was like, fine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What did you do when you made your first profit?
It was actually in the 2nd month of Acing Languages being incorporated. I didn't spend it. I just saved it. But I was very excited. I went for a meal with my family and I was like, now I can pay for it.
Yeah. Books or podcasts?
Podcasts.
iPad or notebook?
iPad. Notebook. I love taking notes. I'm a nerd that way, yes.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
Oh, night owl.
Really?
For sure, yes.
And your favorite social media platform?
Instagram.
Okay. So yeah, that concludes our rapid fire segment.